it is just truly Split. How y'all doing out there? Yeah.
So I'm so excited about today's video because I wanted to follow up with a hair video and let you know what else I am doing to help promote healthy hair growth. So as I mentioned in the previous video, and I think I've been saying this the last couple of videos, I experienced some hair loss when I took down my last set of locks. And so I got like patches of very short hair from where some of my hair broke off from taking down my locks. So in addition to taking my Hello gummies, I think that's what it's called. I'm just all over the place. I'll have a link somewhere, a card above, regarding that. In addition to taking those hair growth gummies, I am also taking vitamin C gummies as well. And I kind of just wanted to share with you guys the benefits of vitamin C for hair growth. And so if you're interested, keep on watching. Yeah. Okay, you guys, so vitamin C is a very strong antioxidant, which is really good for your hair. It helps your body create a protein known as collagen that is very great for the hair structure. So that's very important. Okay, so this is one of the main reasons why I am taking vitamin C. In addition to vitamin C, help keep your immune system boosted and help you fight against all types of different things out there. So I chose to go with the extra strength vitamin C gummies. This is 500 mg. I'm not saying that you have to take the extra strength. It's just what I prefer with everything that's going on in the world today. I like these specifically because there's no artificial flavors. It has the natural fruit flavor, no synthetic dyes, color derived from natural source, no high fructose corn syrup, no artificial sweeteners, and it is gluten free. So basically I take 2 of these a day. If you're going to give this to a child, you may want to give them 1. I don't recommend the extra strength, but you know your child better than me. Like I said, again, I take it for 2 reasons only: to keep my immune system boosted and to really just help my hair get to a strong, healthy place so that I can have good, healthy hair growth. Okay, this brand specifically that I take is the Nature Made, but there's so many different brands out there, you guys. It doesn't necessarily have to be this particular one. It does have a seal, so you definitely want to make sure that your seal isn't broken whenever you purchase you some gummies. This is what it looked like, you guys, like a little orange. And basically what I do is every morning, right before breakfast or after breakfast, I would take all of my supplements, gummies, whatever have you, in the morning. I like this particular one because it truly tastes like orange, and I feel like I'm eating candy. If I forget to take it in the afternoon, if I forget to take it in the morning, I will take it in the afternoon. Just remember that you chew them all the way through. Just do not swallow them. But yeah, if I forget in the morning, I'll take it after dinner because it makes me feel like I'm having a treat. Now, you guys, the gummies work best for me because really I'm allergic to anything citrus. So typically whenever I eat oranges or drink orange juice, I just have a reaction to that. So I prefer to take the gummies. This big thing of gummies, and 60 come in the container, cost me almost 10 bucks. But again, there's other brands where it's cheaper. Or just go out there and buy you some oranges and get your vitamin C, or drink you some authentic orange juice. Anyway, you guys, that concludes today's video. I'll see you too in the next one. Smooches.